Congratulations on your new cloud networking solution from CBTS. Whether you're ordering SD-WAN or network as a service, our service delivery team has created this video in order to help you prepare for a smooth installation experience. Assuming you've completed your kickoff call, we'll be reviewing the remaining 3 phases of your install journey: configuration, your day of install, and information on day 2 CBTS support. Your NDD is complete, and CBTS engineers will now begin building what was designed through the NDD process. It's important that you begin to prepare as well. At this point, any changes needed to be made by you, the customer, have been discussed. Please take any measures needed, if applicable, well in advance of your install day. Some of these measures may include validating your internet circuits to ensure they're working with the details described in the NDD. If you have any existing network equipment that will remain in place after your CBTS install, please make any necessary configuration changes needed in preparation. The CBTS data engineer will pre-build the CBTS device configuration in either the Meraki dashboard or the VeloCloud orchestrator, which will be downloaded to the devices on the day of install. Keep in mind that some changes need to be made during the cutover, and your data engineer should have a plan in place based on discussions with you leading up to the day of install. With all the planning, discussions, and information sharing, we've now arrived at your installation date. Before on-site technicians arrive, it's important to ensure that they have access to your networking equipment and that any company regulations have been communicated to your CBTS project manager. In addition, please ensure that your internet is up so that the on-site technician has access to it. You will be joining a bridge communicated to you by your project manager prior to your scheduled install date. On this call, you will be working with the data engineer to coordinate any changes on your equipment at the appropriate times. While we strive for a swift and efficient installation experience, please understand that unexpected factors or variables may impact the duration of your install. Work with your CBTS data engineer to determine your company's tolerance for downtime and to discuss options for reducing that downtime by completing additional prep work. We estimate that installation is complete on your first device in approximately 1 hour, with additional devices taking approximately 30 minutes each. Please refer to our Implementation Expectations Guide and your service agreement for more details on installation, including installation hours and customer cancellation terms and conditions. You can request a copy of this guide from your account manager at any time. Your equipment is installed and online. Your network is live, and both you, the customer, and CBTS engineers and support have visibility into your network for performance and monitoring. As an established and valued customer, it's important to understand how CBTS is supporting you moving forward. Up until day 1 of your services being installed, your CBTS project manager and data engineer have been your points of contact for project and technical planning and support. Moving into day 2 support, you're now transitioning from your CBTS project team to our 24/7 365 support desk, which you can contact at 1-888-638-1699. In addition, your cloud networking solution includes 24/7 365 monitoring through ServiceNow integration, with alerting for your devices and automated ticket creation. For moves, adds, changes, or MAC requests, please contact your CBTS account manager, who can submit these requests on your behalf. Hopefully, throughout this video, you've gained a better understanding of what you can expect during your installation and beyond. Your partnership with CBTS doesn't end here, of course. At CBTS, we see ourselves as an extension of your team and are always focused on your success. Thank you for choosing CBTS as your technology partner.